In today's video, we're going to look at yet another principle of animation, exaggeration, and see how that impacts or improves your animation. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel. The channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation, and if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. Now today we're going to look at yet another principle of animation, which is exaggeration, and see just how that will improve your animation. So here in front of me again I have created a quick animation, and this is just a guy. Just imagine that this object is a door and he is gonna knock on this door. So if I press play, you can see he knocks. Okay, so nothing spectacular. So the animation is he is knocking on the door. But now we want to add some exaggeration to it and see just how that will affect this animation. Okay, so again what I did is I just copied the same animation. If I can just show you, if I press play, exactly the same animation. And let's drag this just to the center. And so let's add some exaggeration to this. Okay, so the first thing I think we can do is we can let's just delete everything that we're not going to need. There you go. And let's just add those key point. There you can see is my animation. Okay, so what I want to do is I want his let's add that key point and those two as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add the key points that I want. Just make sure I've got everything. So I've got my left shank, left thigh, okay, and then right shank. If you remember correctly, this is how I do it. I just always just create my key points or my keyframes, and then I can animate from there. Okay, so let's just drag this up and let's see. Okay, there. Okay, so what I want to do is when he knocks for the first time, let's exaggerate that movement. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock his feet. Let me just unlock it. There you go. Okay, when he's here, let's move him a little bit. Let's undo that. Okay, let's take this one. Again, unlock, and let's move him a little bit up. We can swing him a little bit forward, and let's just, for example, raise his legs so that it looks like he is actually in the air. Okay, so now I want to take these. Let's copy and paste it. I'm going to take it there and then just take these ones and paste it there. And then obviously we want that one also. So let's just copy, paste, copy, and paste. Okay, so he's now back. So if we quickly press play now, and he's, so maybe we can just bring him back a little undo, undo. Let's lock his feet there again. Bring his body back a little bit. And maybe his final pose can be a little bit different. Okay, so if we press play now, goes dot dot and goes back. And then what we can do is now we can also add some exaggeration to that door. Okay, so I want to let's select the door, and now I want the bottom one, and I want that one. Okay, so let's create, this is this one, so let's create a keyframe there. There you go. And then this one is bone 4, so let's create one there. Okay, so now what we want to do is when he knocks, we want to bend this door like so. And then we just repeat that. So let's just copy. Let's copy, paste, and then paste. And so what happened? Dot dot dot, and he goes back. Okay, so basically what we did is we let him stay in the air. So basically the timing is wrong. So you want him to knock faster. It is still too slow. So if you remember the previous video where we worked on timing, so now you can just take these keyframes and drag it so that you can fix the timing. But you kind of get the idea. So if I press play, this really looks like there's more urgency. So you're actually exaggerating his actions, and now it looks like there's more urgency in when he knocks on the door. So let's quickly remove that, and let's bring these two back, and now we can compare the two animations. Okay, so let's put those next to each other, and if we're gonna press play, we're gonna see the difference. Okay, so obviously there's a lot of adjustments you need to make when he basically goes back to the floor. Let's go. When he goes back to the floor, it doesn't look natural. So obviously there's a lot you can still do to fine tune your animation, but you kind of get the idea. Even though this is not perfect, you can actually see it really makes a big difference when you add exaggeration. Okay, so basically that is exaggeration, and how it really adds to your animation and just brings your animations to life. And so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithms. And then also make sure to hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. So guys, that is it for me. I will see you guys next week with yet another video. So God bless and happy animating.